If you're 5'4" or under and striving to elevate your style, this video is for you. And if you stick around until the end, I will share with you why some women look bad in basics and how to fix that. Today we're uncovering 13 common style mistakes that petite women often make, and more importantly, how to fix them. So let's dive in. While oversized clothing is trendy, it can overwhelm a petite frame. I'm 5'4", so I'm right on the edge of being characterized as petite. So I try and steer clear of oversized clothing. But on some days, and I'm sure you know what I mean, if it's rainy and cold outside, nothing feels better than an oversized sweater or sweatshirt. So choose what feels comfortable for you, but generally speaking, if you're petite, try and opt for tailored pieces that define your shape. Mid-calf hemlines can make legs look shorter. If you fall in love with a midi skirt or dress, just wear a higher heel to elongate your legs. Bulky handbags can overpower a petite frame. Opt for medium or small structured handbags that complement your proportions. Heavy footwear can look out of proportion to your height and make you look shorter. Instead, choose sleek, low-profile shoes to maintain a balanced look. Ankle straps can visually cut off your legs. If you love them, pick ones that match your skin tone to create a seamless line. Large, bold prints can overwhelm. Stick to smaller patterns that are in proportion with your frame. Too many ruffles or embellishments can look bulky. Opt for clean lines and minimalistic designs. Off-the-rack clothing often doesn't fit perfectly. Investing in tailoring ensures that your clothes complement your body. Horizontal stripes can widen your appearance. Vertical stripes elongate and slim your figure. Tops that extend too far can make your legs look shorter. Choose tops that end at the hip or tuck them in. Cropped pants can cut off your leg line. Full-length pants in a straight or flared cut can elongate your legs. Wearing one color head to toe creates a continuous line, making you appear taller. Large accessories can dominate a petite frame. Choose delicate jewelry and appropriately sized accessories. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion advice tailored to you. Share your favorite style tips in the comments below. And just like I promised, let's talk basics. Ever wonder why some women just don't look great in basics, like a white tee, black pants, or a simple blazer, while others look like they just stepped off a magazine cover? Well, don't worry, this isn't about shaming, it's about style strategy. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your basics work for you. So let's dive in. We're constantly told that basics are essential, and they are. But here's the catch. Basics are only effortless when they are thoughtfully styled. Without the right fit, fabric, and personal flair, basics can actually make you look, well, kind of blah. You see, what works for one woman might totally wash out another. So if you're tired of wearing simple staples and not getting the look you wanted, you're not alone. First, let's talk fit. Basics expose everything. There's nowhere to hide. If your white tee is too tight, too short, or pulls at the bust, it's not flattering. The same goes for boxy cuts that overwhelm your frame. Tailoring is your best friend. A quick trip to the tailor can make a $10 t-shirt look like a $100 designer piece. And not all basics are created equal. That $5 tank top might seem like a steal, but if it's see-through, pills after one wash, or loses shape, it'll never look polished. Look for natural fibers like cotton, linen, or a cotton modal blend. They hold up better, breathe well, and elevate your look instantly. That basic white tee, the shade of white matters. Bright white might wash you out, while ivory or off-white could make your skin glow. If you're not sure what flatters you most, compare warm and cool tones near your face. Your undertones will tell you everything. Basics need styling support. If you just throw on a tee and jeans with no accessories, no shape, no layers, it can fall flat. But add a belt, tuck in the tee, layer a blazer, throw on a necklace, and suddenly you're styled, not sloppy. Details make the difference. This one's big. Basics should support your style, not erase it. If you love color, add a colorful shoe or statement earring. If you're edgy, go for ripped denim or combat boots. Your basics are the canvas, but you are the art. Don't lose your personality just to be minimal. So what can you do if you've got a closet full of basics that just aren't working? Here are a few suggestions. Try upgrading one or two key items like a better white tee or a structured jacket. Add accessories that speak to you. Try monochrome or layered textures for a more expensive look. The truth is, basics aren't the enemy, but to look amazing in them, you've got to think beyond the hanger. You don't need more clothes, you just need the right approach. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments, which basic piece do you struggle with the most? I'd love to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more style tips that actually work for real life. And I'll see you next time.